Technology is the ubiquitous sign of human imagination, with its ability to aid and inspire. From the point where you rise, it keeps you seamlessly wired and ready to take on your day. However you travel, it is now an extension of whatever you choose to give your attention to. Whether it's continuing that ebook you were reading or getting a head start on your work. Check up on your home or zone out to your online series. Never miss a beat. Whatever your work requires, there is always a need for synchronicity between all your platforms in the search for success. Just like finding harmony, cross-platform synchronization between all your different peers and devices allow for greater satisfaction in a world without borders or limits to your imagination. Helping you empower and secure not only your physical valuables, but securing your digital assets, whether it's on your hardware or in the cloud, as well as for your company network or personal use. Have peace of mind with our guarantees. As you unwind at the end of your day, seeking out your passions, indulging in the latest games and hobbies, in the virtual world or otherwise. Keep it all connected, seamlessly. Keep life simple. Keep it smooth.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Nagar of class 1A from Krishna Public School, Nehru, Nagar, Bhilai. Topic of today's assembly is importance of technology. Technology is the technical means people use to improve their surroundings. It is also a knowledge through using tools and machines to do tasks efficiently. We use technology to control the world in which we live. Technology is people using knowledge, tools and systems to make their lives easier and better. Now let us see what my friends are saying about the importance of technology. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Mohammed. I study in class 12 at from Krishna Public School, Nehru, Nagar, Bhilai. Today's thought of the day is, in this modern era, technology has become an essential in everybody's life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Devan Prasad. I study in class 1 section E of Krishna Public School in Nehru Nagar, Bhilai. Today's news headlines are as follows. Serum Institute of India launched COVID-19 vaccine for children in 6 months. Juhi Diwangan from Bhilai playing at World Badminton Championship in mixed doubles. India's Harna Sandhu crowned the Miss Universe title 2020 in Israel. India defeated Pakistan by 3-1 in India men's hockey. Bhilai
विकास में मदद करती है, बल्कि देश दुनिया के विकास में भी अपनी महत्वपूर्ण भागीदारी निभाती है। आज जिंदगी से संबंधित हर काम टेक्नोलॉजी से जुड़ गया है, जिससे जीवन स्तर में न सिर्फ सुधार हुआ है बल्कि विकास को एक नई दिशा मिली है। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो।
Good morning to all. My name is Guman Gorzokki from class 1B. Today I am going to recite a poem of importance of technology. Science is a treasure, difficult to measure. Science is a boon, its magic is carrying the man to moon. Science is a mystery, full of chemical history, solved by chemistry. Symbol of silence, factor of brilliance. Science is the challenge of excellence. Thank you.